Good day, friends. Paul here, and welcome to the premiere episode of Treasure Today, a new channel rebranding on account of this channel. I think it's perfect. Treasure the day and also Treasure Today. Here's the treasure for today. It's a Kidde fire extinguisher, 6-year warranty. And I've checked out the fill level on this bad boy. Check that out. Good to go. So yeah, a big part of my channel and my daily life is treasure hunting on my walks, my daily outings. And it just occurred to me as I found this sweet find for today. Hey, safety first, right guys? That I should rebrand this channel Treasure Today because it has just such a beautiful double entendre of treasuring the day. And then also, join me for more treasures because every day I'm out finding treasure on my walks. Treasure Today.